Car corner pace car will duck in. And as the late models come around turns 3 and 4, let's go, green flag racing. And it's the 84 car of Jake Vanoski out front, but he was a little too excited. I have to get him reset. Jake Vanoski out of Hartford, Wisconsin. A little excited in turns 3 and 4 as we get them all reset. As the Stanley Steamer late models will go along the back stretch. Let's see if they can get it going this time around. And we're green flag racing. It's going to be that 84 car of Jake Vanoski right now out front. Jerry Stafford the second on the low side in second, but John Reynolds Jr. in that X car pushing on the outside with Michael Bilderback rounding off your top 5.
John Reynolds Jr. and Michael Bilderback, both Big 8 race qualifiers as well. They do travel in this series. Hopefully both of them will have a better finish tonight, as John Reynolds Jr. definitely do in victory lane.
And it's Jake Vanoski still out front. John Reynolds now being battled by the number 2 car of Michael Bilderback. 17 car of Max Kaler now in the top 4. And it's the 81 of Dennis Smith Jr. rounding off your top 5.
Vanoski currently sitting 5th in the late model standings, leading them around as we are 3 laps into this 10-lap race. John Reynolds Jr. off the pace a little bit as Kaler goes by him.
Yeah, him and Michael Bilderback getting into it in turns 1 and 2. The number 2 machine coming out on top. But watch out for that 17 of Max Kaler hot on this trail.
John Reynolds Jr., it looks like he had a little bit of trouble coming out of 2 there. Maybe something's off in that X machine right now at the moment.
84 of Vanoski still out front. Bilderback in second with that 17 of Max Kaler creeping up on him. John Reynolds in the X trying to hold off the 81 of Dennis Smith Jr. And Jerry Stafford the second rounding off your 6th.
As DJ Smith looking to the inside of driver X here, battling for that 5th spot. Max Kaler starting to look to the inside of Bilderback, as that points lead is big, with your 1st and 2nd place points leaders running 2nd and 3rd place.
And Vanoski, he's the 5th in points, so he would really like to see a heat win here if he can hold on. Can he hold off that number 2 of Michael Bilderback and the 17 of Max Kaler, who are creeping up on that 84 car? Reynolds, Smith, and Stafford, your 6th. But it's Vanoski out front. Bilderback on his trail, and Max Kaler right there with 1 to go. Michael Bilderback trying to go on the low side there. And John Reynolds Jr. having some problems along the back stretch. And it's going to be Jake Vanoski, your winner. Michael Bilderback 2nd. Max Kaler with a little bit of smoke in the 3rd. Dennis Smith Jr. 4th. And Jerry Stafford the 2nd, your top 5. But definitely trouble for the X machine.
Once again, driver X doing double duty tonight, running the X machine and that number 8 Bargain Hunter Sportsman. Hate to see Reynolds having a little trouble. He's got to get that car figured out. He's sitting 3rd place in the point standings with DJ Smith right on his rear end there in that points chase for the Stanley Steamer late models.
Jake Vanoski, this is his 1st heat win. He's out of Hartford, Wisconsin. Bunzel's Old Fashioned Meats, Thierry's Race Engines, Dave's Lanes, Broadway Auto Sales.